Hello, everyone. It's a proud pleasure to welcome our proud Mission Dr. Ayushi Singh Chauhan. She is a graduate of Odisha National Medical University, passed her FMG exam in very first attempt with 182 marks. Ayushi, to you and to your entire family, congratulations from our side.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
कैसी फीलिंग है कैसा लग रहा है
Sir, it's an amazing feeling. It's something surreal for me. I never imagined कि first attempt में हो जाएगा, but eventually हो गया. And I think it wasn't possible without MIST and the faculties and especially you, I would say. It was an incredible journey and very tiring too.
Okay, okay. So how did you come to know about MIST और फिर join करने का सोचा and then you were a student of online batch, right?
Yes, sir. I was a student of online batch and sir MIST का मुझे पता लगा था from seniors.
Hmm.
And then I started following Mist on Instagram, so result दिख रहा था. So I was like, मेरे दिमाग में और कोई option आया भी नहीं था, honestly.
Hmm.
So then I was in Odessa only, and then I told my parents that I want to go for Mist. So
Hmm.
they went and inquired and everything, and I took the admission.
Okay, so you were sure about taking the online batch.
No, the thing, I was very skeptical.
Hmm.
I was actually going for offline, and then my brother and my sister-in-law went and met Vineet sir. And
Okay.
then, yes, then he, I think, said that, the time management is better in online. And the batch size also, because when I was preparing for NEET UG, I was in Kota. So I've seen the batch sizes and I'm really scared of that.
Okay.
So then he suggested that I should go for online. And that came out to be the best decision I made, I think.
तो तुम्हारा तो श्री गणेश ही बहुत अच्छा हुआ है. You get to talk to Vineet sir while taking the admission and he guided you. So
And the first class, it was surgery. I
okay,
was mind blown. I was like, this is how surgery is taught.
nice.
Uh, yes.
Okay. So tell me about your journey. I mean, how did you find the online classes? What used to be your schedule and how do you used to manage things? I mean, कैसे पढ़ पाते थे?
So the thing is that classes used to start early in the morning, usually 9:30, sometimes 8:30 also.
Hmm.
So earlier it was really tough because you're not used to studying so much in a go.
Yeah.
So I started from 1st of August, and for the first 10 days it became really tiring for me. But then eventually I adjusted to the schedule. So I used to attend my classes from
Hmm.
9 to 8, 9 to 7, whatever was the schedule. I took an off for 3 hours or 3.5 hours with dinner, and I used to sit with my parents and everything. And then after that, I used to revise whatever has been taught in the class. I
Okay.
made it a point that I'm not leaving any revision.
हाँ.
Never. I mean, I don't remember any day that I've not revised what I have studied.
और
मतलब
कंप्लीट कर लेते थे.
मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा 3-4 पेजेस बच गए या कभी ऐसा हो गया कि आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है तो आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो बट देन ट्यूसडे यू यूज मतलब इन ऑनलाइन दैट वाज द पर्क दैट यू आर गेटिंग अ ट्यूसडे ऑफ सो यू
हाँ.
कवर इट देन एंड देन मतलब मेरा हमेशा ये रहता था दैट आई यूज टू फोकस ऑन स्मॉल गोल्स एज यू ऑलवेज सेड कि नहीं भाई मतलब ट्यूसडे टू ट्यूसडे प्रिपेयर करोगे तो वो धीरे धीरे करके पूरा प्रिपेयर हो ही जाएगा तो
हम्म.
आई यूज मतलब मैंने हर टेस्ट को बहुत सीरियसली लिया है आई थिंक by the end of it 42 or 45 tests were taken and I gave it all मतलब मैंने सारे दिए even if I was not prepared I have given it so yeah
That's
whatever you have said in the audio I think I have very relentlessly followed.
Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening.
Yes.
But then it's always said that you want to achieve something. First thing is that you have to be consistent enough to, fight it out. कई बार डर लगता है बहुत लोगों को कि नहीं मैंने मेहनत तो की है बट नंबर कम आ जाएंगे तो कैसा लगेगा बट देन इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक यू फेस इट नाउ इंस्टेड ऑफ फेसिंग आफ्टर द रिजल्ट्स और मे बी ऑन द मेन एग्जामिनेशन डे तो जैसे आपने बोला कि आप करेंटली कंसिस्टेंटली यू आर गिविंग द टेस्ट सो ऑब्वियसली इट माइट हैव हेल्प्ड यू एंड इट माइट हैव शोन यू दैट वेयर यू आर लैकिंग इवन आफ्टर स्टडिंग या कौन सा टॉपिक.
Exactly it was just like that only मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि I was not a very good student throughout I would say that I was an average scoring student मतलब TWTs में मेरे 65 to 75 कुछ में 80s रेंज किया है एंड SWTs में 70s 75 ऐसे ही थे मार्क्स कुछ में कम भी थे बट वही था दैट I can't give up because I knew what it is going to take away like another 6 months of it I can't so वो मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा था कि just give it your best rest we'll see कि क्या होगा, but
Okay.
yes, वैसे ही
Okay.
था.
And what was your, secret mantra of remaining sane and completing things in time? मतलब क्या ऐसी चीज़ से तुमने डिसाइड किया था कि नहीं, ये ऐसे ही रखना है मेरे को इस चीज़
क्योंकि सब मतलब ऐसा लगता था ना कि जब मैं पढ़ रही हूँ और वो कंप्लीट हो जा रहा है या कंप्लीट नहीं भी हो पा रहा, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास के लिए मेरे लिए वो इजियर हो रहा है.
को?
या क्योंकि बिकॉज यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट, अगर आप नहीं पढ़ रहे हो तो वो अनदर टॉपिक इज ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड ना कुछ कनेक्टेड मिलेगा, हमेशा इंटीग्रेशन में ही चल रहा है. अगर मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगी तो वो इंटीग्रेट ही नहीं हो पाएगा, एंड फिर वो मेरा कंसेप्ट वीक हो जा रहा है.
बिल्कुल
तो
बिल्कुल.
वो चीज मेरे को समझ आ गई थी कि अगर मैं रिवाइज नहीं करूंगी तो इट्स गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम इन द लॉन्ग रन.
ओके.
एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई हैड टू, मतलब मैं करती रहती थी कि थोड़ा थोड़ा करके आई हैड टू कंप्लीट इट.
ओके. एंड हाउ मेनी रिविजन्स आयुष डिड यू कंप्लीट?
Okay, so during the class, what happened? That was one, and then in SWTs, revising the subject and the schedule that you said that last day पे वो subject नहीं पढ़ना है, वो मुझे बहुत बाद में पता लगा. मतलब 2-3 SWTs हो गए थे, उसके बाद मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि अच्छा my approach is not correct. तो फिर मेरे को दो, मतलब ऐसा हो गया था कि वो वाला दिन आई यूज्ड टू स्किप, आई डिडंट स्टडी फॉर दैट SWT, एंड फिर मैं ब्रैक रिविजन कर रही थी. तो एक वो रिविजन लगा लो एंड वन मोर रिविजन बिफोर द एग्जाम, मतलब फास्ट रिविजन, नॉट मतलब PYTs एंड PYQs वैसा.
3 to 4
3 to 4.
you were able to handle
Yes, yes,
the online classes. Okay.
yes.
And did you had any, knowledge, or did you study for the MCI exam even before coming to India? वहाँ पे कुछ awareness था या यहीं पे start किया मिस्ट के साथ?
नहीं सर, पहले मतलब अवेयरनेस तो था, बट इतना सीरियसनेस नहीं था कि
Very
वैसे पढ़ना है. हाँ, वो
good.
नहीं था, वो मिस से ही किया है मैंने स्टार्ट जो किया. एंड मतलब ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म कभी कभी कुछ कुछ देख लिया, वैसा था. नॉट सीरियसली, आई हैव नॉट रियली डन इट सीरियसली. एक या दो सब्जेक्ट्स आई हैव कंप्लीटेड, बट वैसे नहीं.
Okay. And जैसे एग्जाम दे के आए थे,
हम्म.
तो what was the feeling when you gave the exam?
सर, आई रिमेम्बर टेक्सटिंग यू दैट आई एम फेलिंग.
तो बहुत बच्चों का ये होता है, सर हो गया, अभी नहीं हो पाएगा, एंड
सर,
देन
बिकॉज फर्स्ट पेपर वाज गुड. फर्स्ट पेपर जब मैंने दिया था, सब बोल रहे हैं मेरे आसपास फर्स्ट पेपर टफ है. मुझे फर्स्ट पेपर उतना टफ नहीं लगा था. मुझे लगा था इट्स अ मॉडरेट पेपर, वेरी वन लाइनर्स थे उसमें, मतलब इट रिक्वायर्ड योर रिकॉल स्किल्स. तो मुझे मुझे लग रहा था कि मेरा ठीक गया है, मैं पास फर्स्ट पेपर में तो हो जाऊंगी. द सेकंड पेपर व्हेन इट केम, एक तो बिकॉज यू आर टायर्ड थ्रू आउट द डे,
यस.
you are not functioning on your full potential, plus
हाँ.
surgery was coming which required I don't know what skills to solve the questions. So I started panicking in the exam, and like you said, in your classes you used to say कि भाई 50 में से 25 उसको एम करो, उसके बाद देखी जाएगी. और वो मेरे 25 भी नहीं हो पा रहे हैं एग्जाम के बीच में. अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि यार गया ये एग्जाम. तो after that I started crying. My parents, they got traumatized that what happened. So I was crying, and I thought I'm not going to pass. I literally thought that I'm not going to pass.
और
Second
फिर
paper went terrible according to me.
ओके. हाँ,
Yes.
अभी तो यू कैन से अकॉर्डिंग टू यू बिकॉज यू गेट 182 मार्क्स, और वो खाली फर्स्ट पेपर के बेस पे आ नहीं सकते.
हाँ, मतलब इतना डरी हुई थी मैं, मैंने रिकॉल्स नहीं देखे डर के मारे. मुझे था कि मैं एक हफ्ता में पागल हो जाऊंगी अगर मैंने रिकॉल्स देख लिया और वो गलत आ रहे हैं आंसर्स. तो आई
ओके.
डिडंट सी रिकॉल्स.
एंड व्हेन द रिजल्ट केम, व्हाट वाज द रिएक्शन?
I was crying again.
ओके.
Yes, I mean it was, I didn't imagine this in my dreams that I would be able to do it. मतलब बीच में होता था कि है कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाएगा, फिर then again about that no, it's very tough. What if the questions are like not, I have not solved them. तो वो बहुत surreal feeling थी मेरे लिए when I saw my roll number and the pass. I didn't even see the marks, I just saw pass and then I saw the marks.
पेरेंट्स रिएक्शंस?
My father, it's his dream that I become a doctor. It was his long dream that I become a doctor because he couldn't.
Yeah.
And when I passed out of the university, he was very emotional, and I think I have hugged him for almost 10 minutes after that. I
वो
mean, and we were crying. Both of us were crying. And my mother she was shivering, I think. Out of happiness, she was shivering. So it was
वाह.
And my brother and my sister-in-law, I mean, they have been such a constant support to me. I mean, whenever I was down, they were just there. And they knew that we'll just be there and she'll do it. It was like that. Yeah.
Well, every support obviously is very important. Though, agar, if I sum up whatever you have told me, uh, first thing you said that, you followed a single source,
Yes.
nothing there.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Completely.
single source trusting yourself, never missing a test, whatever
Never. Never.
scenario,
Never.
you are
Yes.
prepared or not prepared.
Yes.
Then you said that, like, this is what I understood, that I just had an interview just before you, and the person told me कि sir first paper tough था, second ने बचा दिया, and you are saying sir first paper easy था, second से मेरे को tension हो गई. So that means that because every student is different, so
Yes.
they have different subjects where they have their strong points in them, and there are certain things जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा problem हो जाती है. तो फर्स्ट पेपर इजी है, सेकंड इजी है, उससे मतलब नहीं है. इफ यू हैव स्टडीड ऑल द 19 सब्जेक्ट्स थ्रू आउट इन दीस 5-6 मंथ्स, सो इवेंचुअली यू विल कम टू द शोर. लाइक इन द सेकंड पेपर यू आर सेइंग कि सर 25 भी पर सेक्शन नहीं बन रहे थे, बट योर मार्क्स टेल्स समथिंग एल्स.
Yes.
हाँ,
I don't know.
probably your expectations might be more because you probably must have worked hard. तो ऐसा होता है कि सब कुछ आना चाहिए, तो उस चीज ने शायद प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट किया होगा, बट देन you did the basics right, and I think that was the reason you cleared the exam, and with such good marks. Any advice which you want to give, Aishi, to your juniors who are gonna watch this video of yours?
Never miss daily revisions. I would say that. Never. I mean, it's fine. I mean, in 6 months, if you're sleeping 5 hours a day, it's okay. 4 hours a day, it's okay. Just complete your revisions on time. First thing. And secondly, never miss a test. Question solving actually helps in the exam. You don't know, subconsciously your brain, that's what my brother said, subconsciously your brain will tell that okay, you just mark it. And it happens only with practice. And the best thing about MIST was this, that the test scheduling was so good that eventually in every week you are going to cover what you have been taught for the week, and that reduces the pressure. And at the end, I mean, we realize at the end कि यार मतलब ठीक है, कवर होता जा रहा है, वो आपको पता लगे बिकॉज आपने छोटा छोटा करके कवर कर लिया वो चीज. हाँ, एंड बिकॉज एट द एंड ना, मतलब मेरे साथ ये बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. आई डोंट नो इफ एवरीबडी हैज फेस दिस और नॉट, बट बाय द एंड ऑफ इट आई गॉट सो एग्जॉस्टेड कि मेरे स्टडी आवर्स बाय द एंड कम हो गए थे. मतलब 7 hours 8 hours a day से ज्यादा मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी एट द एंड. वो हो गया था मेरे साथ क्योंकि मेरा एक्सर्शन इतना ज्यादा हो गया था. बट मतलब द रिजल्ट इज ओके, सो इट्स फाइन. बट
Result is good, but जैसे probably you are feeling that second paper में I was not even having 25 out of 50. I think that, and it was better than this, right?
yes,
Actually, it was
yes.
better than this. So you are saying that in the end you were studying for 7-8 hours. I think your mind was telling you कि 7-8 घंटे पढ़ाई हो रही है, but you must be studying better than that. And we are very proud of you, Dr. Ayushi, and thank you for trusting us. Thank you for believing. Thank you.
So just a minute I would just take a minute to
Yeah.
say that you have really helped me a lot throughout the journey. My anxieties, I know, reply aata tha 2 दिन में 3 दिन में, that's fine. But I know what you have been a part of my journey, and I will always be thankful.
Thank you, Aishi, thank you. And we are proud of you, and we would wish you more success in life. Be humble. Pass on our congratulations to your family as well. And the family support is very important. That is what you mentioned.
Yeah.
And so, let's hope for even more successes in future. Be a humble human being and save lives.
I hope so. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
God bless you.